Hey everyone, welcome back to another exciting journey through the cosmos. Today, I'm diving into some of the most surprising facts about Mars that you probably didn't know. Mars, often called the Red Planet, has many secrets waiting to be uncovered. So buckle up as we embark on a cosmic journey to our neighboring planet, Mars. This journey will take us through towering volcanoes, icy poles, and massive dust storms. Did you know that Mars has the tallest volcano in our solar system? That's right, it's called Olympus Mons, and it stands at a staggering height of about 13 miles. That's nearly 3 times the height of Mount Everest. Imagine a mountain so tall, it dwarfs the highest peaks on Earth. And here's the kicker. It's so large that despite its height, if you were standing on the surface, the slope would appear almost flat because of its gradual rise. This gentle incline stretches for hundreds of miles, making it a unique geological feature in our solar system. Now let's talk about the weather. Mars has some of the most extreme weather conditions you can imagine. You might have heard Mars described as a cold desert. Well, it's incredibly cold, with temperatures dropping as low as minus 195 degrees Fahrenheit during winter at the poles. These frigid temperatures create a landscape covered in frost and ice. But Mars also experiences dust storms that can cover the entire planet. Imagine being in a storm so big it envelops the whole world. These storms can last for weeks, blocking out sunlight and making the surface even colder. Moving on to a day on Mars. The concept of time on Mars is fascinating. A day on Mars, known as a sol, is only slightly longer than a day on Earth, about 24 hours and 39 minutes. This means that if you were living on Mars, your daily routine would be almost the same as on Earth, just with a little extra time to enjoy the Martian landscape. So, if you lived on Mars, your daily schedule wouldn't be drastically different from Earth's, just a little longer. Imagine having an extra 39 minutes each day to explore or relax. Here's a fun fact about gravity. Because Mars is smaller and less dense than Earth, its gravitational pull is only 38% of Earth's. This lower gravity has some interesting effects on how you would move and live on Mars. This means if you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you'd weigh only 38 pounds on Mars. It would be much easier to hop around. You could jump higher and carry heavier loads with less effort. It would be much easier to hop around. Imagine the fun of bounding across the Martian surface with ease. And did you know that Mars is home to the largest dust storms in the solar system? These storms can be truly massive. Sometimes these storms are so large they can block out the sun for days, making it difficult for solar-powered missions to survive. The dust can cover solar panels, reducing their efficiency and posing a challenge for future explorers. Lastly, despite its barren and dry surface, Mars might have more water than we first thought. This discovery has huge implications for the possibility of life and future human settlements. Scientists have discovered signs of buried water ice at the planet's poles and even remnants of old rivers and lakes. These ancient water sources suggest that Mars once had a much wetter and potentially habitable environment. Who knows? Maybe Mars was once home to ancient life or could be a potential home in the future. The presence of water ice opens up exciting possibilities for sustaining life and supporting human exploration. There you have it, some fascinating facts about Mars that add to the wonder of this mysterious red planet. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our cosmic neighbor. Thanks for joining me on this interplanetary adventure. I hope you enjoyed learning about Mars as much as I did sharing it with you. Until next time, keep looking up and stay curious. The universe is full of wonders waiting to be explored.